This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with a quick tip to see if your dishwasher pump is working. You take a bowl and you put it in the top rack, but you put it where the bowl is facing up, and then just close it, run the dishwasher, and you see if the bowl fills up with water. If it does fill up with water, you know that you're getting the right amount of water in your dishwasher, and you know that the pump is working well, it's circulating all the water, and you know the spray arms are clear, so all the water is getting up to the upper rack. So if you're not sure, you think that maybe the upper rack is not getting clean enough, this is a good test. You let it run for about 10 minutes, and then you open up the door, and if you notice that the bowl is full of water, then everything's working great. There's no water in there. It could be that the fill valve, the thing that lets water into the dishwasher, is not working properly and not letting in enough water. It's also good to make sure the valve underneath the sink is fully open that would allow all the water to come into the dishwasher. So that's a fast little test just to check for how the water is doing. Hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.